This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
Hey guys, welcome back to another qmark video. So in this video we'll be exploring this hacking tool called Seeker, in which using this tool, just by sharing a link, you'll be able to access any person location. Without getting any further delay, let's get into the video and see how I'm going to do that.
So let me log into my Approximate server. Now for this video demonstration, I'm using my Parrot operating system. Let me decrypt this key. So now my Parrot operating system is loaded. Now let me open a browser. Now here, I just want to type d white hat hacker space seeker space github and press enter. Now open the first link. Now here, this is the tool what we want. If you want, just download the tool, but for this video demonstration I'm going to use the git clone URL. So let me copy that. I'm just going to keep this inside my desktop YouTube folder, and here let me make another folder called tools, and let me go inside the tools. Now here sudo git clone and just paste the URL and press enter. Now type your password. So once you're done, it will clone the repositories. So now that tool is inside your local repository. Just check whether you have Python 3 installed in it. So okay, Python 3 tag version. So I got Python 3 installed in my PC. If you don't have, please follow the other YouTube videos. You can find many videos in YouTube to how to install Python 3 in your PC. Now let's see what are the instructions they have. So now here I just need to copy this command and just paste the command according to the instruction. So let me type ls. Yeah, I'm in this folder. Let me clear and type sudo and just paste the command. Yeah, since I already did this, it is showing me everything is installed. So same wise, just do the next requirement, sudo pip3 install request. Now that is the final command for installing this tool. Now let's see. So now this is the command what we need to start this tool. So let me type sudo python 3 seeker, just paste the command. So now the tool has loaded. Now here we can see it is asking me to select a template. So I can select 0, 1, 2, 3. So 0 is for near you. That's a default template that is given by this website. So there's another template for Google Drive. There's another template for WhatsApp and Telegram. So for this video demonstration, let me use the near you template. So I'm just giving the option 0, and once if you press enter, now you can see here port 8080 is activated. So now just open another tab, in which in the other tab open this website called ngrok, and we want this tool to be downloaded. I'll leave this link in the description. So just open this. So this tool is more used to host your website. So let me download this tool. So just click on download for Linux and let me save this. So open the folder. Let me open this folder. Let me extract this first. So I'm just extracting it here. Now once it is extracted, now we want this to run. So let's open this in a terminal. Now here, let me just minimize this and let me type. Let's see what we need is like. Now the step 2 is like ngrok. Okay, now let's type sudo ./ngrok, and we need to specify the protocol, that is HTTP, and the port is 8080. So just type 8080 and press enter. Now type your sudo password. So now here we got the website URL. So we just need to copy this URL and send this URL to any victim. So for this video demonstration, I'm going to use every PC and every mobile, and that is under my environment. And guys, this is the place where you have to just make sure you're not crossing the limit. And this video is only for education purpose. Basically, you have to know about this tool. So my intention is to make sure everyone knows about this cool tool. Okay, now let me open this URL in my virtual machine of an Android phone. So this is Google Pixel 2 phone. Now let me copy paste this link in a browser. It is asking me the permission for location. If I give yes, now here you can see it has found the detail about that mobile. So it is running in Android 9. Okay, let me open the settings and let me show you what Android version is it running on. Let me verify whether the detail what we got is right or not. So let me open the about section. Now here you can see this is running in Android 9. And now what else is there? Now here we can see it is running on Android emulator. Yeah, even that is also right. So yeah, it is right that I'm running in an Android emulator. Now here, that's it. Now let me open. So here we got the IP address too. Let's check the IP address. So just go for this website called myipaddress.com. So here we can see the IP address is 139, 162, 86 and 95. So yeah, we got the IP address also. So now here we can see what are all the information that we can get using this tool in any victim target. So now let me open the same URL in any browser of desktop. So that is for the mobile. Now let's open the same URL in any desktop. I'll open this URL in the same PC itself. So I'm just opening this URL in a desktop. So now let me copy this URL and let me paste this here. Give continue. So once if I give continue, so now it is asking me the location permission. Once I give the location permission, now yeah, the data has been captured. So now here we can see all the information about this PC. So as it is given me some latitude and longitude, let me open this Google map and see what is the location. Let me open that in a new tab. So yeah, so let me copy paste that link, Google map link. I wanted to tell you one more thing. If you like these type of videos, just press like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. So now here we can see that is the location, and yeah, that location is right. I'm right now there near Sholingalur. That is where my office is located. So now once you're done, right, all this history data of whatever search you did will be stored inside this DB folder in the same tool. Let me open results.csv. So this is an Excel file. So let me open this file. So yeah, I don't want to change any format. Let me open this file. So now let's see what all the information it stored. Yeah, it has stored the OS version, the platform, and it has stored the CPU, GPU information and the location information. Yeah. So likewise here you can see all the information that has been stored locally in this PC inside this tool. Now once you are done, just make sure you're closing this tool. So since I'm done with this recording, let me shut down this PC. So just type sudo shutdown. So I'm just typing sudo shutdown and giving my password. Yeah, now it is done. So now my PC is closed. Now let me shut down my server too. Just type shutdown in the shell, and yeah, now my Proxbox server is also done. So guys, and also one more thing I wanted to mention, man. So this Seeker tool is an amazing tool. I just want you to explore, dig deeper inside this tool. You can check out the command lines and you can easily customize this tool. And also in future, if you want me to make more videos in exploring the hacking tools, you can let me know in the comment section. And all these videos only for education purpose. Please don't try to use this method to harm any of your friends, or just trying to interfere in someone's privacy life. That is totally illegal, and I will not recommend you to do that. But as a common person, even you have to have a knowledge about all these tools, saying these are all possible. And guys, see, I want you to follow all these GitHub profile links, and even I have a own profile in my GitHub. Even I have few of the tools which is really cool and interesting. I want you to try it out and let me know in the comment section. And if you want me to explore any other future hacking tools, do let me know in the comment section. And guys, this videos, again, I'm telling you, only for education purpose. I want everyone to have a knowledge about what are all these tools can do. And thank you for watching video till here. I'll see you in the next video.
Hey, thanks for watching video till the end. I hope you like this video. If you do so, just share this with your friends and subscribe to my channel. If you have any ideas for me to work on in future videos, just do let me know in the comment section. I'll see you in the next video. Since it is raining, I'm just closing up this video, man. Have fun, happy acting.